What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I know I've been gone for a while, y'all, but I'm back now. I'm better than ever. I'm gonna try to get into this wig install or whatever. I've been trying to get into different things behind the scene, y'all. Like, I've been like real busy, and it's like insane. I know y'all miss me over here or whatever, but I'm gonna start switching up the content or whatever, because it got to a point where like I didn't even feel motivated to like do anything. Like, that's like no shame. But if y'all want a detailed tutorial on this install, please go to one of my other install videos, because I do have a more in detail video. This is just like a quick install because I haven't had my hair done in the last couple of weeks, and hence why I ain't been making videos and stuff like that right there. But I've been trying to let my hair breathe, because my hair been feeling like it's been breaking off. It's been very brittle. Like, I had to let my edges grow back in because I was doing wigs back to back to back to back. So that's why I was getting braids back to back to back to back to back, because I ain't want to look bald head by the forehead. Hey, man. Okay, cool. So, yeah. So, y'all know all the little steps. I tell y'all time and time again. I tell y'all time and time again. But I'm finna catch y'all up a little whatever on what I have been up to. Stuff like that right there. Hopefully I don't be doing no stuttering, because I ain't did no voiceover in a long time. Look at you, look, I can't even get it right. But yeah, so I got this Dola lace hair glue kit from TikTok, y'all. It's been going viral. I got this wig from TikTok. Everything I'm using in this video is from TikTok. I'm also going to be able to like put on my cluster lashes, fan from TikTok as well. My cluster lashes as well. That's been going viral. I wanted to try it because like I'm tired of like, you know what I'm saying, being barefaced all the time. You gonna see me struggle, and I tried to chop this video up as much as I could because my installs can get long. This really took me all day, y'all, to install the lashes, to do the wig and everything, because I had to literally wash and blow dry my hair and braid it down and make sure the wig was dry and customize the wig today. Like, it was just really insane. So yeah, so I applied like 2-3 layers of this Dola lace glue or whatever. You know the vibes. It came with an HD wig cap, wax stick, glue remover, all that good stuff. So if y'all want to check out all of that, and it came with those bands as well. If y'all want to check out everything, me unboxing the package, where I got it from, where I got this wig from as well. This is a 28-inch bust down body wave, body yada yada. Yeah, for $150. I think the glue and the wig was like $160 all together. So you cannot beat that. Like, I'm gonna try to start doing more reviews on wigs on TikTok, because you know I used to be an Amazon girl. Then I went to AliExpress. I have never did a wig off Temu or Shein. You know what I'm saying? I don't know about that, but I done got into that TikTok shop bag, baby. And I love everything that's coming from here. I done ordered so much stuff, and I'm getting sent a lot of free stuff. Also, guys, if you guys want to learn how to get free stuff off TikTok, let me know. If y'all want to learn how to be an influencer, because that's what I've been out here doing, influencing. I've been trying to work on my other platforms. Hence why I have been taking a break from YouTube, because even though I'm monetized, it seems like ever since I got monetized, like my videos has like not been doing what I wanted to do. And it's kind of discouraging when you sit here and take time, you know what I'm saying, to edit the videos, because I do everything myself. I record, I edit, It literally makes things longer for me to record every step of every process that I do. So that is why, like, you know what I'm saying, I took a step back to regroup and come back and, like, you know what I'm saying, really put in the work and to really, you know what I'm saying, do what I love. Yeah, guys, I love my weight loss journey, but I'm really like past that. Like, I really don't want my channel to be all about weight loss, all about, you know what I'm saying, food and stuff like that, because honestly I want you guys to see my personality. Yeah, I lost all this weight and stuff like that, but I was just like, I don't want it to be all about, you know what I'm saying, weight loss, because I'm not perfect. I'm not one of these, you know what I'm saying, weight loss gurus and stuff like that that's going to be constantly, you know what I'm saying, on it, counting calories and all that shit. I'm too real for that. Like, no shade, but I just don't have the time as a single mom working 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jobs, you know what I'm saying, to consistently, you know what I'm saying, bring you guys content about me working out and I feel like I made enough videos about it as well. Like, I don't want to keep dragging it. So I'm moving on from that stage of my life. I might give you guys some workout videos here and there, you know what I'm saying, but it feels like when I do the videos, I don't know, I don't feel like I look right doing the videos, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, guys, I have been like working on my mental health, literally trying to get my life together. I got a new car, so I've been enjoying my new car. I've been enjoying like a lot of things that's been going on. I've been trying to, like, you know what I'm saying, stay afloat mentally, physically, and all that things of that good nature. But y'all see me checking these lashes because it's already irritating my face. And yeah, we're gonna have to get her together. And I'm gonna have to get this wig together because it's giving ashy, and I don't want no boogers on my lace, so I'm not trying to put too much, you know what I'm saying, glue on her or whatever. And it says a 13x6, but I don't know. It doesn't give 13x6. I might just have a cranium on my shoulders. That might be what it is. But these wigs get smaller and smaller and smaller. It seemed like the only wig that y'all see me do, I think, was that deep wave wig. That was the only wig that have like access, hella access lace on that wig. And I love that because it gives me a lot of like wiggle room, but it gives me like room to mess up, because like when the lace is like big as hell, sometimes I can't see where I'm placing it, if you get what I'm saying. But this install was really rough, but it came out good at the end of the day. Again, I ain't did no wig install in about 3 months because I've been doing braids back to back to back to back, and I'm kind of regretting it because it's hot as hell for a wig, baby. It's hot as hell. Y'all seen that pink fan from earlier, baby? I've been using that like clockwork, and I ain't even got on the lashes no more. I done been recorded this video, y'all. I'm just late. I got a lot of videos that I did in the vault, and I look at them and I edit them, and I don't like them. Like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all ever get into that mode where like you make content and then you go back and look at it and you go back and like edit it, and you be like, ew, like I don't really like how that looks. So yeah. So what else I was talking about? Because I'm trying to give y'all a life update while I'm doing my wig or whatever. This is really not a step-by-step tutorial. The video would have been way longer than this. And yeah, so at first I had used the wrong concealer, and I was pissed the fuck off. I tried to wipe it off because yeah, y'all see that orange? I don't like that. Like, no. But yeah. So I just been working, grinding, trying to make this money, you know what I'm saying, on all social media platforms. I've been running up the bag. I done blew up on Twitter. If you know, you know. I'm now on Facebook, guys, so you guys can follow me on Facebook at That's Big K as well, because I'm trying to get into that Facebook bag, because y'all know TikTok is coming to an end, honey. When I get on TikTok and start doing the damn thing and start getting free shit and start doing all this and all that, they want to start deleting TikTok. But it's all cool and it's all fine and motherfucking dandy. We finna, yeah. So if y'all can tell, like I kind of over bleached the knots a little bit, so hence I'm going to have to like use my spray so it can look right or whatever. I always have a problem with bleaching my knots. That's what another thing I need to practice on, but I ain't got time to be practicing on wigs that I'm finna be wearing. I'm not finna mess up no money. You know what I'm saying? So one thing I can say that I do need to work on is bleaching knots and customizing my wig. If I get that down packed, bitch, I'll be in there like booty hair. You hear me? So I'm deciding right now, should I do a middle edge like I always do, or just do like, you know what I'm saying, the two on the side. And I decided to do on the two on the side, and honestly I wish I wouldn't have did that because my forehead was on 10. Do you hear me? Every time I do a middle part and I don't do like the little edge in the middle, I get a fat ass forehead. I be looking like Megamind around this bitch. But yeah, so this install was fairly easy. I was real calm, but I accidentally deleted the video off TikTok as well of me doing a full install, which I was pissed the fuck off. But it's okay. It's okay. So yeah, so I'm right here. I'm just thinning out the edge line, you know what I'm saying, so I can give it a little more natural look so the edges won't be so thick. I don't really like thick edges. I'm trying to get that thick and fluffy effect as well. I'm trying to practice, y'all, but buying wigs is expensive and stuff like that. Even when I stopped working with wig companies as well, once I got scammed by a wig company, and I don't know, I just took a break from that shit, because I tell y'all how I got scammed by a wig company? Oh yeah, so this wig company, you know how I was doing reviews and stuff like that for smaller wig companies and stuff like that. So the company said, okay, I was doing this, I know not to do this now, but this was months and months and months ago. This was like last year. So I was doing a lot of, this is when I first got into wig influencing or whatever. I was doing a lot of promos for, you know what I'm saying, Amazon wig suppliers and stuff like that. They was like, oh, send me a wig, buy the wig, and I'll send you the money once the review is blah, 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 blah. Granted, I have done this before, but not too many times. It's either I buy the wig and they send me the wig right then, or have the money. They don't send. What the fuck am I talking about? Shut the fuck up. Y'all see me getting tongue twisted. No, that's not what happened. Either I order the wig and then they send me half the money and then half when the review is done, or I, buy the wig and then they send me the whole, refund right then once I order it, or they give me my, refund for the wig. So basically I'm getting a free wig out of the situation. That's when I first started. That's when I had no followers whatsoever. I got into the game, blah, 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 blah. So one wig company tried to do the same thing. Oh, we're going to pay you once the upload is complete, blah, 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 blah. Bitch, I uploaded that motherfucking video. I did videos on TikTok. I did videos on Instagram, all that extra stuff. Bitch, why they didn't pay me? Bitch, I did all types of reporting. I deleted my review, all types of stuff. I even did a video for TikTok. And that's why I really don't want to work with wig companies no more. And now when I do work with them, I'm going to require them to at least pay me. Because now, I'm not going to just be doing this for a free wig, bitch. Even though, these wigs come in handy. I got a drawer full of wigs now that I really want to give away. But I don't know. To the people that's less fortunate, if you want a wig, let me know. DM me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? All you would have to do is literally just pay for your shipping and you can just have the wig. No, I'm not washing it. No, I'm not getting the glue off of it, because I just threw all them damn wigs in the drawer and they've been sitting there ever fucking since. Okay, cool. I got black, mostly black. I got some color wigs. They're like medium quality wigs. Some of my higher quality wigs I am going to keep, but the ones that I really just are through for, for me, that I can't reinstall it no more, to my satisfaction, you know what I'm saying, I can just, give somebody a wig that's, less fortunate. But yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it that's been going on lately. I got more videos coming for you guys. I got a get ready with me video coming soon, you know what I'm saying. I don't know if I'm gonna do something for Mother's Day, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, so this is basically the look. I'm just curling the hair. I need some more flat irons. I need some more tools, too. I feel like my install would eat better if I had better tools and different products. I always look and learn. I look at Alonzo Arnold. I look at E. Kane. I look at a lot of people on YouTube, TikTok, watching their hairstyles and what products they use. And I came up with my own formula to lay my wig how I want to lay my wig. Now, for styling the wig, baby, that's a whole different ballgame. I need to get me some different tools, different curlers, because I done had this shit for years, honey, and I did the best I could, honey. But yeah, so I'm curling it or whatever. After I curl it, I'm going to be done, honey. And that is going to be it. So this is the final look. Yes, I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass, and a Cardi. I'm a fake motherfucker. Hello, motherfucker. I feel like I look different with a wig, y'all. I be looking like a bad bitch. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all go follow my TikTok at Oldest Big K. Everything is in the description box below. If you want to know where the wig came from, the glue came from, everything came from, baby, it's on my TikTok, honey. Y'all know how YouTube get down. But yeah, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe to my channel. More content coming soon, guys. I love and appreciate every one of y'all that's been patient and that's been rocking with me since day one. Y'all gonna ride till the wheels fall off or nah? But yeah, y'all, yeah. I miss y'all so much. But yeah, I'll see y'all later, guys. Bye.